Here's an example in which we're plotting a polar point. So how are we going to do that? Well, they've given us a polar graph here. I put in the notes for you. I put it right in the modules of Canvas, right at the top of this module for Canvas, this fourth module, or fifth, that's the fifth module, polar paper. So you can see, here's polar paper, the angles go by 15 degrees as they go around, 15 degrees. So I'm going to put that right here, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, 90, etc., etc. Where's 3? I'm looking for 345. It's the last one right there. I don't want to go all the way around. This is it. 345. That makes sense. It's 15 degrees below 360, huh? So there it is. There's 345 degrees. So remember how polar points are found. It's like a cannon, like shooting a cannon. How does it work? Step 1, you turn to the right angle. You turn the cannon to the right angle. And then you shoot. Oops. You shoot the ball the distance of r. So I'm going to turn the cannon. Here we go. There we go. So we turn it all the way there. The cannon at this moment is facing this direction. And how far, right? So I turned the cannon. The cannon is facing, is facing the 345 degree angle. That's the direction the cannon is facing. Okay, and then you're going to shoot the ball the distance r. How far? Well, the r, this is the angle theta here, the r is -2. Negative r means a backfire. Remember how that was kind of I don't know if you read much in history about that time of Civil War and days of Mussolini and stuff when we had cannons and artillery. Sometimes those cannons would backfire and they would kill the person behind them. Well, that's what a negative r is. It's a backfire. So in other words, you're aiming this direction. You're aiming the cannon. You turned the cannon, right? This, we started 0 degrees right here, and we turned the cannon all the way to 345. We're aiming the cannon out through 345 degrees, because that's what they told us to aim the cannon, and then fire. But it's r -2, so it backfires, bonk, bonk, back 2. So it's going to go backwards along that same line, but back to right there. So there's the point. So when you get a negative r, it means you backfire. You go the opposite direction from which you're aiming. So it ends up right there. We aimed at 345. We aimed the cannon that way, but we backfired 2. So there's the point right there. There we go.